Hello and welcome to another HTML and CSS tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to look at how to link to different sections on the same web page. So we can have a look at Wikipedia as an example. So we have here an article on HTML, and as you can see there's heaps and heaps and heaps of text and different pictures and illustrations and things on this page. So if you're looking for a certain piece of information, it can take a while to scroll through everything and find exactly what you're looking for. So if I scroll down and I'm looking for information on data types, then you can see I have to scroll down and look for it, and it can take a little while to find it. But as you can see on Wikipedia, there's a table of contents. So if I was looking for data types, I could see it here in the table of contents, and I could click on that link and it will take me straight to that heading and that section of information. So you can see I'm on the same web page. I haven't visited another web page, hasn't taken me to another page. I'm still on the same web page, but when I clicked on the link, it took me to exactly the part of the web page that I was looking for. And you can see also at the end of the address, there's a hashtag data type. So that's been added on to the link there. So if I click on another link on this table of contents, it will also change it up there as well. So we can link to different parts of our web page. We can link to different headings or paragraphs on our web page, and we can link to other things like images. So I have open here an example of a web page, and there's a few headings here. So I'll open this up in Chrome so you can see. And you can see there's a few different headings. Now, there's not as much information, and it's just random text, but there's not as much information on this page as there is on the Wikipedia page. But I'm going to create some links up the top here, and those links, when they're clicked on, will take the user to the different sections of this web page. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to give each of the elements that we're linking to, we need to give them a name. So we're going to link to this heading first, which is just called 1. So after the H1 tag there, the first H1 tag, we can add another tag, which is a name equals, and we'll just give this heading a name of 1. Okay, and then we'll close that a tag off there. Okay, so we're just giving this heading a name of 1. And we'll do that the same thing with the other headings. So we'll say a name equals 2. And for this one as well, a name equals 3. A name equals 4. And also we can do that for the image. So I'm going to put it at the end of this image tag here, and this one will be 5. Okay, so each of these elements, I've given them a name. Different headings and also the image down the bottom, I've given them all a name. Now up here, I'm going to add my links. So I will say a href equals, and instead of linking to another page and putting in the full address of that page and the file name .html, because I am actually linking to different parts of the same web page, I can just refer to the name of the sections that I'm linking to. So the first link will be hashtag 1. So I'm referring to this heading using its name, okay, which is 1. And then close that off. Whoops, I forgot to put quotation marks there, so make sure this is inside those quotation marks. And then I'm going to give this link some text, which will just say 1 as well. And then I'm going to add a line break so that the next link will be on a new line. And I'm going to do the same thing for the others. So this one will be 2. Oops. Yep. and then hashtag 3. Four. Oops. And the last one, which is 5. Okay, so I'll save that. So we have some links here, and the links are just called 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, because I didn't really give the headings very creative names. And then the links also just link to hashtag 1, hashtag 2, and so on, which are the names of these headings or these different sections here. Okay, so I will. It's actually important to note they're not actually the names of the headings, but the names of these links here that are being linked to. So we're putting this a name tag inside the heading so that when we click on the link, it will just take the browser down to that heading. Okay, so I've saved that and I can open it in Chrome and I can click on the links, and when I click on them, it will jump straight to that section. Okay, so I'm linking straight to those sections of the web page, including the image. Alright, so that's basically how to link to different sections on your web page using HTML. Thanks for watching.